Soloist and entrepreneur Jay Park recently donated 100 million KRW, about $76,500 United States dollars, to the victims of the flash floods in South Korea. Over the second week of August 2022, Seoul was hit by flash floods that were so serious that people had to swim or wade in knee-high waters. While some managed to turn the situation into humor, others were not so fortunate. In particular, the areas in Lower Seoul were greatly affected. Those living in basement or half-basement houses saw the most damage. Some deaths and missing persons were also reported in the area. In order to help the victims get back on their feet, Jay Park donated a huge sum of money via the Hope Bridge Foundation. He sent his well wishes to the victims via Instagram as well, on August 12, 2022. He uploaded the following photograph with the caption, "I hope it is of even a little bit of help. Stay healthy everyone, and find strength." It seems like his employees also chipped in, for he also praised the kind hearts of our One Soju employees. Jay Park has continuously been doing good deeds over the years. He's donated to various national natural disasters as well as the Australian bushfires and more.